Alright, finally I get to try out my homemade air compressor that broke a while back, and I hooked up one of my RC batteries to it, basically one of these right here. Let's see if it'll pump up my tire. My old invention that's been sitting in the car forever. You know it's cold outside, so I figured that tires might be low. I'm waiting to get my air tank filled up. Let's see where we're at right now, just so you could see. All right, what we got? 23 psi. All right, so what I did is I took a RC battery and wired it in the place where the cigarette lighter is supposed to go, because this basically is what this does. It plugs into your cigarette lighter. You plug these two in, positive. Damn. Okay. It works. It's alive. Hopefully I'm not letting air out of my tire. Let's see if it works. This is all in real time, so you can see how fast it will fill it up. You get better gas mileage if you have adequate air in your tires. Check it, see. Ooh. 25. So what is that air pressure? Yes, 30 psi is correct. Working great. How about that shit, huh? Blowing pretty hard. I mean, this thing's been in my car for about 6 months. I've only charged it once. 28. Just a little bit more. Well, you get the point. Looks like we got 23 psi to 30 psi in less than 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.